Hi guys, how to download games on laptop and PC. Now go to the bottom of your screen, click on the search bar, type in Microsoft Store, and open the application. This is the safest place to download free games without worrying about viruses. Once the store opens, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and select the gaming tab. This is where all the best game deals and free titles live. Scroll down through the options and click on free games to filter out paid titles and browse through available free options. Here's a pro tip. Check back every week because Microsoft adds new free games regularly. Find a game you want to install from the list. You can also use the categories or the search bar at the top to filter results and click on it. Here's a quick heads up. Watch out for games with in-app purchases if you're looking for completely free experiences. Click the blue Get button on the left side of the screen. This is the most important step, so don't click anything else. Wait for the download to finish. Once it is ready, the button will change to Play, which you can click to launch the game immediately.